Hey there everyone, Alamgir here, and today we're diving into something that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's very much real and happening right now. We're talking about China's incredible advancements in robotics, and more specifically, their development of ultra-realistic female robots. This isn't just about gears and circuits anymore, it's about creating machines that can interact with us, look like us, and even to some extent, understand us. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at some of the most notable female robots to come out of this tech boom. We'll explore their capabilities, the technology behind them, and what they tell us about the future of robotics and artificial intelligence. From robots designed for their lifelike appearance to AI entities that can hold complex conversations, it's a diverse and rapidly evolving landscape. So let's get into it and see what these futuristic creations are all about. Alright, first up, let's talk about Gia. If you've been following advancements in humanoid robots, her name has probably come up. She's often dubbed the robot goddess in media, and honestly, when you see her, you can kind of understand why. Developed by a team at the University of Science and Technology of China, Gia represents a significant step towards creating robots that are not just functional, but also aesthetically human-like. The team behind Gia, led by Chen Xiaoping, focused on subtle facial expressions, natural feeling movements, and an overall appearance that aims for a high degree of human fidelity. They spent years refining the mechanics and the aesthetics, trying to bridge that uncanny valley where robots can look almost human, but something is just slightly off. Gia was their attempt to get closer than ever to the human side of that valley, which is a massive challenge. When we talk about her key features, the visual aspect is undeniably front and center. Gia is designed to mimic human-like qualities with her flowing black hair, traditional Chinese attire in some presentations, and a face that's capable of micro-expressions. The materials used for her skin, the way her eyes are designed to track movement and make eye contact, these are all deliberate choices to enhance that lifelike quality. Beyond the looks, Gia is also equipped with some pretty advanced AI for her time. She's capable of engaging in basic conversations, responding to questions, and even recognizing faces. The primary purpose behind Gia's creation wasn't necessarily for her to become a commercial product right away. Instead, she served as a research platform. The team aimed to explore human-robot interaction, to study how people react to and engage with a machine that looks and behaves so realistically. This kind of research is crucial for understanding how we might integrate such robots into society in roles like companionship for the elderly, or as interactive guides in public spaces. Her public debut definitely made waves. When she was first unveiled, images and videos spread quickly, sparking a lot of discussion about the state of robotics and AI. People were impressed by her appearance, but also, understandably, a bit intrigued, and perhaps even a little unnerved by the level of realism. Gia represents a significant technological achievement in several areas. Firstly, the mechatronics involved in creating her smooth movements and expressive face. Secondly, the AI for speech and interaction. And thirdly, the artistic and engineering effort to achieve that specific lifelike aesthetic. She showcased China's growing capabilities in creating sophisticated, integrated robotic systems, moving beyond purely industrial applications into the realm of social and interactive robotics. Next up, we have Gynoid F. Gynoid F was created by Professor Hiroshi Ishiguro at Osaka University in Japan, but she has significant ties and presence in China. Gynoid F is designed to be a Geminoid, which means she's an android built to closely resemble a specific human model. In her case, she's modeled after a woman in her 20s, of mixed Japanese and Russian heritage. One of the primary uses for Gynoid F has been in research, particularly in studying human-robot interaction and the concept of sonzai-kan, or presence. Professor Ishiguro's work often explores what makes us perceive something as human or alive. Gynoid F can be remotely operated, allowing a human to control her expressions and voice, making her a sophisticated telepresence device. But Gynoid F isn't just a lab experiment, she's also ventured into the world of entertainment. She actually had a role in a Japanese movie called Sayonara, making her one of the first android actresses. The technology behind Gynoid F is a testament to meticulous engineering. She has a limited number of actuators in her face compared to some other advanced androids, but they are used very effectively to create a wide range of expressions like smiling, frowning, and blinking. The skin is made from a special silicone that mimics human skin texture, and her hair and eyes are also incredibly realistic. Her presence in China, often appearing at tech expos and academic conferences, has made her a well-known example of advanced humanoid robotics in the region. The implications of robots like Gynoid F are profound. If an android can convincingly play a role in a movie, what does that mean for human actors? If they can serve as highly realistic telepresence avatars, how might that change remote work or communication? These are big questions, and Gynoid F helps us to explore them in a tangible way. Alright, let's move on to Yang. Yang was unveiled at the Global Mobile Internet Conference in Beijing, co-developed by Shanghai Shenking Industry and Hiroshi Ishiguro's team from Japan. Modeled after a real person, Yang captures a wide range of human-like facial movements. She can smile, wink, nod, and simulate breathing with natural fluidity. Her expressiveness comes from sophisticated facial mechanics and a complex system of motors and actuators. These are programmed to create believable expressions that convey emotions. The goal is to improve the naturalness of human-robot interaction. Appropriate facial feedback makes interactions more comfortable and intuitive. Yang can track faces and make eye contact, enhancing her interactivity. The collaboration between Chinese industry and Japanese academia highlights the synergy in creating advanced robots. Yang could serve as a museum guide, receptionist, or therapeutic tool, making robots more acceptable in roles requiring a human touch. Now let's shift gears a bit and talk about Xiaowi's. Xiaowi's, which translates to Little Bing, was originally developed by Microsoft Asia Pacific R&D and has since spun off into its own independent company. She's primarily an AI-powered chatbot, but often represented with a human-like avatar. What makes Xiaowi so remarkable is her sheer scale and the depth of her conversational abilities. We're talking about an AI that has had conversations with hundreds of millions of users, primarily in China, but also in other countries like Japan, where she's known as Rina, and Indonesia. She's designed to be an empathetic companion, capable of engaging in long, nuanced conversations, telling jokes, offering comfort, and even writing poetry or singing songs. The AI behind Xiaowi is incredibly sophisticated, leveraging deep learning and vast amounts of data to understand context, user emotion, and generate human-like responses. She's not just pulling from a script, she's dynamically creating her side of the conversation. This has made her extremely popular, especially among younger users who treat her as a friend, a confidant, or even a virtual girlfriend or boyfriend, which raises its own set of interesting societal discussions. While Xiaowi is predominantly a software entity, her connection to the theme of female robots comes from her often feminine persona and avatar, and the fact that the technology powering her could very well be, and often is, integrated into physical humanoid robots. Imagine the conversational prowess of Xiaowi combined with the physical realism of a Jia or Yang. That's where the future is likely heading, a true convergence of software and hardware. Her widespread use in customer service is also a major factor. Many companies in China utilize Xiaowi or similar AI technologies to handle customer inquiries, provide support, and manage interactions at scale. Her ability to understand natural language and provide relevant, helpful responses makes her an efficient and cost-effective solution for businesses. This is a very practical application of advanced AI with a human-like interface. Finally, let's talk about Sophia. Now, Sophia is probably one of the most globally recognized humanoid robots developed by Hanson Robotics, which is based in Hong Kong. While not exclusively a mainland China creation, her prominence, frequent appearances in China, and the advanced AI she represents make her a crucial part of this broader discussion on futuristic female robots and Asian technological prowess in this domain. Sophia is known for her remarkably human-like appearance, particularly her expressive face, which is capable of displaying a wide range of emotions. Hanson Robotics uses a patented material called frubber for her skin, which has a lifelike texture and flexibility, allowing for more nuanced facial movements. She can smile, frown, show surprise, and track faces, making her interactions quite engaging. The AI powering Sophia is a combination of several systems, including natural language processing, speech recognition, and a cognitive architecture that allows her to learn from interactions. She can hold conversations, answer questions, and has even participated in interviews and given speeches at high-profile events, including the United Nations. This has made her an ambassador for AI and robotics, sparking global conversations about the future of these technologies. One of Sophia's most talked about features is her ability to generate somewhat spontaneous and sometimes thought-provoking responses. While many of her interactions are guided or scripted to some extent, especially in public appearances, the underlying AI aims for a degree of genuine understanding and creativity. Hanson Robotics' goal with Sophia and their other robots is to create machines that can build trusting and engaging relationships with humans. They envision robots like Sophia being used in healthcare for therapy and companionship, in education as interactive tutors, and in customer service. Her human-like form and expressive capabilities are seen as key to making these interactions more natural and effective, fostering empathy. Sophia, the Hong Kong-developed global icon, plays a vital role in our understanding and discussion of advanced female-presenting robots. So, there you have it, a look at some of China's most futuristic female robots, and a prominent global example in Sophia. From the lifelike Jia and the expressive Yang, to the conversational AI of Xiaoiqi and the boundary-pushing Gynoid F and Sophia, it's clear that the field of robotics and AI is advancing at an incredible pace. The potential impact on society, from healthcare and education to entertainment and companionship, is truly immense, and we're likely just scratching the surface. If you found this dive into the world of advanced robotics interesting, definitely hit that like button, and let me know in the comments which of these robots fascinated you the most, or if there are others you think we should cover. And of course, make sure you're subscribed for more deep dives into the tech that's shaping our future. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.